Okay, so in this lesson we are going to identify proportional relationships again. This time we're going to be given a graph, and then we're going to represent it in different ways. So let's look at this graph. Some things that we notice about this graph and this graph. This one goes through 0, 0. This one goes through 0, 0, just like the table. So 0, 0. This is the origin. All right, that's easy enough. And if you notice, this is a straight line. In math, generally, well, I would like to say that in math, all lines are straight, right? But I figured this to be a little clearer for you. So straight line. And that's it. So let's look at these. So let's look for the 0, 0. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 0. This one does not. So this one is not proportional. This one is 0, 0. This one does not have it. So not proportional. This one is not proportional. And this one's good. This one is not. Okay, now we have to make sure they're straight lines. So straight line, so this is proportional. Straight line, proportional. Straight line, even if it's like going downward or shifted this way, it's still proportional. It's still a straight line. And this one, even though it's disconnected, it's still proportional. All right, cool. The next part. Okay, so we have slices of pizza, number of pizza slices, amount of cheese. So let's go ahead and check this out. It goes through 0, 0, and it's a straight line. So this is proportional. So remember, this is the one we kind of like, it's the topic. This is the one we care about. So the amount of cheese, or the cheese measured in ounces, it's really the amount of cheese, but that's fine, is proportional to the number of pizza slices. So the cheese is proportional to the number of pizza slices. Okay, that's not too bad. So 0 pizza, 0 cheese. 2 pizza, 3 ounces of cheese. 2 slices, 3 ounces of cheese. 4 slices, 6 ounces of cheese. And 6 slices, 9 ounces of cheese. We can keep going, but we have enough here. Like I said, 0, 0. It should show up, right? And let's figure out what we multiplied by. So 3 divided by 2. I'm actually going to draw these first. Okay. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. Since we already established that this is proportional, you don't have to show them all. Just show like 1 or 2 to make sure you're doing it right. And our constant of proportionality, which is K, that's labeled, is 1.5. This means we're multiplying by 1.5. All right. The one we care about, our topic, is the amount of cheese, so that is our dependent variable. It's the cheese measured in ounces. That will depend on the number of pizza slices. Cool. So if we take the pepperoni pepperoni, pizza slices, and we multiply it by 1.5, we will get the amount of cheese. But remember, the one I really want, make that a little better. The one I really want is C equals 1.5 P. This is the one I want. Let's try another one. So turtle shells, question marks. So we can see that it goes through 0, 0, and it's a straight line. So remember, this is our special one. So the number of turtle shells is proportional to it already has 2. The number of question marks. Well, that's kind of redundant because that is a question mark. So it's like number of question marks, but whatever, it works. So number of turtle shells. Remember that one. That one goes second. So turtle shells, question marks. So 0, 0, 0 question marks, 0 turtle shells. Let's find the nice whole number ones. Okay, so 3 question marks, 1 turtle shell. 3 question mark, 1 turtle shell. 6 and 2. 9 and 3. We know it's proportional. We don't have to do all of them because there's a bunch more anyways that are decimals. Let's figure out what we multiplied by. So we're going this way. So 1 divided by 3, 2 divided by 6, and 3 divided by 9. These all equal 0.33 repeating. Yeah, and you'll get the same thing here. If you prefer, you can leave it in this like reduced fraction form, because we know 0.33 repeating is 1/3. So dependent variable, one we care about, our topic is number of turtle shells. Number of turtle, let me make that a little bit better. Of turtle shells is dependent on the number of question marks. Okay, and I'm just gonna write the equation that I care about. So in order to get t, all I have to do is multiply 0.33. I'm gonna put the fraction. Now that might confuse some of the people who just look at the notes. So 0.33 times q. All right, next one. 0, 0. Well, first we have to check to see if it's proportional. It's not proportional because it doesn't go through 0, 0. So this is not proportional. We're done. We don't have to keep going. Done with that one. Thank you.